What if AI could predict your crop yield, optimize watering schedules, and cut farming costs by 40%? We're showing you the exact tools successful agribusinesses use right now. Traditional gardening relies on guesswork. Modern businesses use AI for precision farming, analyzing soil data, weather patterns, and plant health in real time. The result? Higher yields, lower water waste, reduced pesticides, and maximized profits. Companies like John Deere and Indigo AI already generate millions using AI-powered insights. Your garden operation can too. First, Climate FieldView AI analyzes field conditions and recommends optimal planting strategies. Second, Prospera monitors crop health via computer vision, catching diseases before they spread. Third, SoilOptimizer. Each tool saves thousands in wasted resources while boosting production efficiency significantly. A vertical farming startup using AI reduced operational costs by 35% and increased yield by 50% in 6 months. A small-scale organic gardener using predictive analytics cut water usage by 40% while selling premium produce at higher margins. These aren't exceptions. They're becoming the standard for profitable agribusinesses scaling with AI technology. Begin with affordable AI tools. Start free trials on Climate FieldView or Prospera. Collect baseline data for 2 weeks. Let AI identify your biggest cost drains and opportunities. Scale gradually. Most businesses see ROI within 3s. Be to early adopters. Don't wait, your competitors are already implementing. If you're running a garden business, you can't afford to miss this. Subscribe now, hit like, and comment which AI tool you're trying first.